Here's my purple, green, pink, yellow chicken. His her name is foghorn. His birthday is 1624. He's a girl. He weighs 4 pounds and 5 ounces. He's 9 inches long. So my channel, like my video, thumbs up, comment, and share. Hi guys, here's my purple, green, pink, yellow chicken. Her name is foghorn. His birthday is 1624. He's a boy. He weighs 4 pounds 5 inches. He's 9 inches long. Here's a blanket he can cover up. He's cold. Here's the toy he can play with. Here's the pacifier. Here's a cup to drink of. Here's a pacifier. Here's a cup with a straw. Here's the sock so you can put his feet in when his feet is cold. Here's a bottle to drink of. Here's the sock so you put his feet in when he's cold. Here we go to put school in a fall winter. I bought him out Walmart for $5. He would go to public school in the fall and winter. He would go to high school in spring and summer. I have both at home. He can learn lots of stuff at home. After that, he will go to college and he can get a degree. He can put in, and he has to pay his mind to. And that's all, folks. Have a good day. I'll see you later. I'll see you next time. I'll see you next video. I come back with my videos. And thank you for my videos. Goodbye. Bye-bye. And ta-ta.